Hello, I'm Amaryllis, and today Craft ID is about turning lonely socks into cute mini pumpkins. To make this craft, you will need used socks. I have a bunch of lonely socks home, so I decided to turn them into a nice fall decoration. To do that, you will need also dye fabric, as we will create mini pumpkins, and of course we want them to be orange, so orange textile dye. Then you will need orange yarn of rope, regular rope, scissor, glue, and cushion filling. The first thing to do is to dye the socks orange. Let's do that. So I've got some orange dyeing. Just read the instruction on your package. Mine says that I have to pour the dye powder into water. And then put the socks in. Well, we'll see how this one turns out because it's not white. So I'll let the socks soak a few minutes in the dye, and now I will take them out, rinse them, and dry them. And I will show you once they are dry and ready to make the mini pumpkins. The socks are dry, clean, and dry. Let me show you. As you can see, I have different orange shades depending on the socks material. And as you can see also, this one was light purple, so the dye turns out pretty well, and this one was light gray, so it works just fine for me. Next thing is to grab the first socks and let's make a pumpkin. You need to fill the socks with cushion filling. You can just buy the filling, or you can just open an old pillow you have around and use the filling to make the mini pumpkins. Push the filling to the bottom of the socks, well, to the tip of the socks. Once you are happy with the pumpkin size, that looks nice, take a piece of orange yarn, and make a knot here to close the sock. And now you will use these two pieces of yarn and wrap them around the sock to create the pumpkin shape. No, like that. It's a little bit like wrapping a present. And you wrap around the stem. And wrap again. It's okay if it's not perfect, you can arrange it later. And once you are done, make a knot to hold everything together. This is what it looks like now, and you just give the pumpkin a nice shape by moving the yarn around and the sock. It's easy. Okay, now we will make the stem. So cut the extra socks length, and you want to cut it in biais. So you have that, and you will wrap a piece of rope around it to make the stem. Add a little glue next to the base and start wrapping the rope around. Keep adding glue. And wrap the rope tight enough so the socks won't show. Try not to burn your fingers. Then you have the pumpkin with the stem. You can fold it a little. Look how nice it looks. If you like, you can add a leaf. You can use a dry leaf, or you can use a fake leaf and you just add a dot of glue and you fix it on your pumpkin. I will use a fake one. Like that. And that's it. You just made a nice pumpkin out of old sock. Let me show you something else. I just made this pumpkin out of this sock. This sock was longer than the other one, so you can use it to create a second pumpkin with the same sock. Let me show you how. You turn the sock wrong side out. Take a piece of yarn and make a knot on one end. And then turn the sock right side out. And as you can see, you have another little bag that you can fill with cushion filler and create another pumpkin. Look, this will be the bottom, and you just repeat the previous steps to create a second pumpkin out of the same sock. Have fun making as many pumpkins as you like. If you enjoyed this video, please like and follow for more craft ideas.